Hello everybody, this is me, my unboxings and fun here today, and today I have a very exciting video coming back with an amazing unboxing and a short review hopefully on the new Nintendo 2DS XL pre-installed with Nintendo's famous game Tomodachi Life. Now personally, I haven't played Tomodachi Life on my Nintendo 3DS XL and 3DS because I don't really see the point of it, really, to be honest, it's like a Tamagotchi sort of game, and I think it's like Sims or something. I don't know. I've never played it in my life. The only games that I've played is Donkey Kong Country Return. I've played Mario Kart 7. I've played Rayman. I've played Sonic. I've played several other games, but I've never played... I played all the Mario games as well, basically. So this is the new Nintendo 2DS XL, which is the white and lavender model. It got released in the UK a few weeks ago. A few days ago actually, on Amazon for about £150. I will be leaving the links down below, both the UK and international links where you can get this item. So I hope you enjoy this unboxing and review. So as you can see on the front of the box, you have the white and lavender 2DS XL, pre-installed Tomodachi Life, and you can see some of the people saying, "I love you," which is pretty awesome. At the back of the box, you can see it says extra large screen, NFC function for amiibo. It comes with a C stick. It tells you what is in the box, and it tells you that Tomodachi Life is pre-installed, and you get the serial information at the bottom of the thing, which is pretty awesome. Okay, so let's see what's inside the box. So just gonna pop it open here, and we can see what we get inside the actual box itself, because that I think people is what are more interested in. Okay, so nothing else inside the box as you can see apart from this. So of course you're gonna get our famous manual, operation manual. Don't need that, and it comes with. Should open these AR cards, famous. Mystery box from Super Mario games, Super Mario, Link, Kirby. Don't know who this is, and don't know who this is, but pretty awesome AR cards, which you can still experience not in a 2D version without a 3D-ness, which is pretty weird, but yeah. So this is the 2DS XL in lavender and white, so I'm going to put it to the side. Okay, put it to the side, and you also get, which is different of Nintendo doing, nothing else in this box, but you also get the AC adapter, which I know there's like a big thing on Nintendo not including the AC adapter in the 2DS box or 3D and the original 3DS, and you had to buy it apart and stuff, which is, they actually included it here, which is pretty awesome. So you can see it comes with the AC adapter, which just plugs right into your 2DS XL. So you can see at the bottom, I've showed you this, I'll show you around this on my lime green version, but I'm just going to show you here as well, very quickly. So this part pops off like this, and it comes with, I believe, a 4GB Alexa micro SDHC card. It comes with the actual port to put your game in, and it comes with the card. Let me just show you the card actually here. So it comes with the 4GB Alexa micro SDHC card. Also the serial number information there, so if you lost it or anything from the box, or if you throw your box away, it doesn't matter, I still have it on the console, which is awesome. And it's actually kept along here as well. What I like about that is that no dust is going to go in there. If you looked at the original 3DS and stuff, they had it here, they had the SD card here, and they had the serial number at the bottom here. And over time, that could have faded away, and if you want to send it off to repair at Nintendo, Nintendo will be like, what the hell is the serial number? I don't know the serial number. Or that you might get dust accumulating in the game port, which is not good, because over time things will get worse. So it's good that Nintendo actually thought about this and put something on top of it, which is more good, which is more cool as well. And it also comes with this part here, which is your 3.5mm head jack, and of course your stylus, which of course is a bit smaller than usual, but it's still cool for the price. So for the price, actually getting a bit, very, very cool additions to this console. I don't know why I like this color, it's just awesome. And on this side, it comes with this infrared thing here, left and right, ZR, ZL, your AC adapter port, and your front-facing camera and your 2D cameras there. So, wow. Okay, so this looks awesome already. You can see that I'm going to power it on first, because I'm just going to power it on. And yeah, so first impressions, guys, it looks pretty awesome. I'm just going to pull that up, and I'm going to show you guys a bit closer how it looks, so you can see this is the guys, this is the first initial stuff you get, and the volume rock is right there. You can see the volume is very nice, and it actually feels very strong in your hand. So let's just see what happens. Okay, next. I'm not interested in all of this. Yeah, okay. Right, okay, yep. Okay. Enter your username. Blah, 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 blah. That's my username. M-U-M-O-U. I live in Albania. I don't live in Albania. I live in the United Kingdom, but let's just say Albania for the sake of this video. And internet settings, set. New connection. Okay, new connection. Manual setup. Search for access point. Testing connection. See what happens. Does it connect? Yay! It connects. Although I'm in the sitting room, it does connect. Okay, connection successful. Using a compatible software title to verify that. Read later. Finish. Okay, exit. Next. Do not set. So I don't want any parental restrictions on my 3DS. 2DS, I meant. Look, I mean, I don't see the point of 3D. Like, you'll get bored of it. So if you want a console, get the 2DS. It's good for your eyes. It's not going to hurt your eyes. And I don't even use the 3D function anymore. So I don't really think it's needed. It looks cool. I mean, when you're doing those little games, it looks cool. But, you know, I mean, it's not worth it. You know, it's not worth it. Yeah, so let's see how the first setup is. So as I'm reviewing this item, I'm just going to show you the maximum brightness. I'm not a fan of this brightness, but I'm just going to show you, hopefully, not the theme. I don't want to change the theme. I want to show you guys the brightness. Okay, you can do it with your hand as well, which is much easier for me. I'm just going to show you actually the internet first, because internet browsing is awesome. And if you're a child and this is your first console or whatever, you know, being able to browse the internet is something which is awesome. You know, so this being also having internet functionality is good as well. So if I just go on, for example, Nintendo, you can see it's not obviously a full internet. I don't know if you can. If you can, you actually can make it use a mobile version, but this is the official Nintendo site. You can see it's very fast when it comes to actually accessing it. Some images don't, as you can see, the images don't load up properly, but it's still accessible. You can still use it, okay, which is pretty cool. So let's actually go on the actual game now, which is pre-installed here, which is Tomodachi Life for Nintendo, and let's see how it is. So there we go. This is the console. It's going to load up, and we can see some stuff on what comes up and what doesn't. So let's just wait for that. Again, guys, I've never played this game in my entire life, so this would be like an experience for me. Would I enjoy it? Would I, you know, would I consider? Did I make the right decision on not purchasing this in the first place when it came out initially? I don't know. Let's just see. A piece of paradise lying in the middle of a beautiful ocean. Okay, well, what would you call your island? I don't care. That's what I would call it. Okay, sorry for any kids watching this, but I'm just making an unboxing and review. Start from scratch. How would you make this meast? Oh, create from a photo. You can... Wait. You can actually take a picture of your face and it will make it. Wait, let me just do that quickly. And let's see. This is not how I was supposed to intend to take it. But apparently it's going to create it according to that. That is not how I look like, sorry. This is literally me, like, not even taking a shower yet or anything. Anyway, let's just see how it looks like. Is it going to be accurate enough? That is still not accurate. Okay, so I don't think it's accurate enough, but okay, whatever. Let's just make it even more ugly. Okay. I mean, yeah. Are you serious? Okay, I'm not going to fill out all of this, guys, but you get the point, okay? So if you guys seen the game, that's the game, okay? I'm not going to literally waste my time doing this, but it's a pretty awesome console. If you want me to see actually the gameplay on this video or review that I played Mario Kart 7, visit my other video when I made a video on the lime green model. So I have the lime green model right here. I might even be making a comparison between the lime green and the lavender and white version. So if you want to see that, guys, leave a comment down below and I'll see what I can do. Have a nice day, guys. Subscribe to my Unboxing Fun for more videos and I'll catch you guys later. Bye!